Skills Test, Unit 7, Exercise 3.
There are always a lot of American tourists here in the summer holidays, aren't there?
Well, we get a lot of tourists from all over the world. Despite the weather, they like the old buildings and the museums, I think. They're not just from America.
Yes, but it's easy to see which ones are from America. They always show up in very colourful clothes, talk loudly and take photos of everything. And everyone knows that they only eat fast food. So that's why all the burger and pizza places are busy right now. Local people can't go there.
What are you talking about? You know these are complete stereotypes, don't you? Not all Americans are like that.
Well, most of them are.
How do you know? Have you ever been to America?
No, but I saw 2 American tourists today and they were exactly like that. They were lost and I could hear them from the other side of the street. They wanted me to help them. They were nice, but they were wearing really bright t-shirts and shorts and...
2 people? Well, that's not very open-minded. Do you know how many people there are in the US? And how do you know they were from the United States and not Canada or somewhere else?
Well, can you let me finish? I've seen a lot of American movies, so I'm used to how Americans speak. You can end up with a lot of information about people from films.
What kind of films? You mostly watch action and sci-fi movies. I don't think the average American goes around in spaceships shooting aliens. I've been to the US. When I went to San Francisco, the people were generous and warm and they ate healthy food. They weren't loud at all. I got on with them really well.
Well, I'm not saying there aren't nice people in the US, but most Americans...
I give up. You can't talk about most Americans just from watching films and looking at tourists. OK, what about English tourists?
They're fine. The English are always very polite and thoughtful.
Are you sure? Some people might say that they're always selfish and unfriendly when they go to another country. They never try to learn the local language, and they always shout and wear stupid clothes and think they're better than everyone else.
Well, some English tourists might be like that, but not all of them. I'm not. You're not.
You see? You can't stereotype a whole country just from a few people.